Well, welcome to the channel. Rolling out of the dispatch center here in Hopkinsville. It is right about 5 o'clock, so between now and 2 a.m. is when I usually get busy. Everything else during the day is office work. So we're headed out to Elkton. Got a tractor trailer that has gotten stuck in his yard. I guess he parks here normally. He's got a coil on. He's grossed at 80,000. Shouldn't be a big deal if I can find the gear to put this truck in. I'm under the understanding it's not a major deal. He's just stuck in. He usually parks off the road and he got a little stuck. So we're gonna go get him yanked out. I'm expecting this to kind of just be a drag winch type of winch out. Nothing major on the. Nothing major, but the last one that I showed up to that I thought was going to be major turned out simple. So this is liable to be the exact opposite. You never know. It's the fun part about towing is you really just don't know what you're going to get into until you get there. No sense in getting in a hurry. We got about 1 billion stoplights to go through. So to get to the other side of town. A couple ways you can go around town, but from where our office is, it's usually fastest just to cut right through town. No, somebody's yelling. So where I made the mistake is that it's almost 5 o'clock, so traffic's a little heavier through town than what it would normally be. But no big yank. As long as we don't get stuck behind a train, we'll be all right. Tight little roadway. You got to watch both sides as you bob and weave back and forth. And of course we're going to catch this light. A lot of one-way roads in Hopkinsville. About to roll, so trying to come through that one. I was going to tell that Conestoga to scoot up just a little bit more, but his light went green and there was nobody coming, so yeah, I should have went around town on this one. That's all right. It happens. We're not in a hurry. We got plenty of time to get there. I mean, he's been sitting there for 2 hours stuck. I mean, I'm sure it's been longer than that, but they called us 2 hours ago and we quoted it. It took them, well, not 2 hours ago, about an hour and a half ago. And it took them an hour and a half to figure out what they wanted to do before they called us back to come do it. So I don't know if they called somebody else, we're waiting on them and they canceled, or forgot about their guy stuck in his yard. Who knows? Now that we're through all the twists and turns, it's pretty much a straight shot all the way down. I don't run my tag up when I'm in town, or I don't run my tag down when I'm in town, just because this truck doesn't have a steerable tag axle. It's the California spec chassis for an unknown reason. It's just what they had available. So tight turns and stuff like that really chew up the steers and the drop axle. So I don't run it down when I'm in town or making tight maneuvers. Once I get on where I know I'm gonna be straight for a while, or I know I'm getting on the highway, then I'll drop it. the first one. Not too shabby. Well, we got 4-lane pretty much all the way to where we're going. So I'll cut you back on when we get a little bit closer. Nothing exciting out here but some trees. Ah, there she is. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, that's not bad. Except, oh, yeah, he's got a pin in the front bumper, so that's pretty good. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy. Just gotta find somewhere to turn around. Could always pull him out unicorn mode, but nah. Hey, how's it going, Michael?
Yeah, she's it's not really that bad, but he couldn't do it the 1 ton, and
yeah.
So thinking, let's come out straight.
Yeah, we can just pull you straight out.
Probably that's a good gravel driveway on the other side of the pole barn. You can turn around, and he drives the semi in there all the time. You can turn around on the second driveway.
Okay.
That's a circle drive. You probably won't mind if you just whip around there by the semi and come back out, or back in here to the Chevy truck and come back out.
Yeah, I'll probably do that. Just in here.
Yeah, because usually when it's not this wet, I'd bust you right there with the semi, and I park right here.
Yeah.
I was parked here last night, and then I started going this morning, and that's where I made it.
Oh boy. No bueno.
Right?
All right, let me grab some photos here. I'll get turned around and
Yeah.
we'll knock this out. Tight little area here. Luckily everybody around here drives big equipment, so they've all kind of got it set up for each other. Get in gear there, buddy. Biggest thing is making sure we get them over soon enough they don't try to take out them mailboxes or nothing. Should be good to go right about there. Get that steer tire back on the road. She's a little soft. Go ahead and drop the tag, set the winch brake, kick on the PTO. We're going to use the money winch, baby. I bet we'll have to use these wee little babies, because the big ones probably aren't big enough or too big to go through that hole. Gotta love an idle shutdown, don't you?
Yeah, hey, 7 minutes. Would it be easier if I dropped the...
No, we'll keep that up so it's not in my way. Anywho.
Yeah, about the only one more service driving half the time.
Yeah. I got AT&T. I knew it doesn't work up here.
My aunt don't have service here. She got AT&T.
No.
That's fine, my internet. No.
All right. Go ahead and fire this thing back up. We'll be ready to pull in like a couple minutes. No, just idle. Is it new? Is it automatic? Stick. Okay, yeah, just neutral.
Okay.
Neutral, let it idle. Come on, baby. I know you're cold. All right, go ahead and release your brakes. Go ahead and release all your brakes. All right, go ahead and turn to your right. Right there. We don't want to go too far, it'll just ski right down the edge of the road. You can cut it right a little bit more, right there. That's money, dude.
That straight money, dude, right here.
All right, go ahead and start coming back. All right, go ahead and just set your trailer brakes. I'll do just trailer because he has the idle shut down. So a lot of times with that, it doesn't work on every truck, but a lot of times with the idle shutdown, if you leave the truck brakes released, it will it'll stay idling. It won't shut down. Gosh dang it. He's gonna pull forward a little bit, get his drives up on the road. He'll be good to roll. Probably ought to lock that back in. All right, go ahead and release those brakes. I hate pulling on those bumpers. At least that one's not a bad one. It's pretty sturdy bumper. right, see if you can ease forward. Just a couple, just about a foot. You're good, keep coming. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. There she is. This is a little narrow little road. It's kind of busy too, to be honest. Not gonna lie. Busy little road. Turn off all my bright lights so he doesn't get blinded while he's trying to pull up. Park brake is not for parking. You don't say. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.